Hello, my name is Arkam. I'm the founder and CEO of Proto21. We are here in our printing farm, and that is made out of the whole 3D printed Prusa machines. As a company, Proto21, we have multiple different technologies which we serve to local UAE for their requirements of prototyping and many other products that people make in the different industries such as defense and medical and prototyping, engineering, automotive. As in general, as a company, we are a service bureau, so anybody can drop in any files to us and we can 3D print for them and good prices and a high quality. Our expertise is finishing methods and also the design. So 3D printers do their job, but our design and finishing methods are really strong. So we have good set of engineers and designers who can convert your concept ideas and make them into a physical 3D printed objects. If you ask me like how it started with one single Prusa machine. So I can literally say the whole Proto21 was established on one printer. Meanwhile, by growing up, we bought other technologies, but honestly, our basic core is FDM. And in FDM, we have chosen the best technology, that's Prusa. So since Prusa machine, as you know, is a open source, so that allows us to edit and improve their extruders, such as our 3D printed with HP multi-jet fusion with PA12 materials, so that they're susceptible to more ABS prints and they can do other exquisite materials. So most importantly, the Prusa machines that we use is in a modular form. So whatever we create, we do it in parts and we merge and then we deliver. So with this lab of 40 3D printers of Prusas, we have done some crazy jobs. So the first job that comes in my mind is the Adidas, where we have printed the largest installation made out of 3D printing. That is 32 meters long facade for the Dubai Mall. And in there, we have done 1,001 3D prints from the Prusa printers in 2 months. And the electricity bill of 1 month, that's the beauty of Prusa machine. They're low electricity consumption, so which is more environment friendly and can compete with the other injection molding and traditional technologies. Number 2 is the chef Burak. We 3D printed his full sculpture with the Prusa printers. And apart from that, we have a crazy number of installations done in Expo 2020. We have done a big wall of 7 meters that is having an octopus kind of shape. It's all done in modular based 3D printed parts and then joined together. So we have also done some defense ABS prints that have actually were used as end-use part and approved by the Ministry of Defense. For Dubai Police interior car dashboards, we've done with ABS. We have done for Ferrari interior, we have done one piece for them. For Rolls-Royce, I have done the emblem in a size of 30 centimeters. For Ferrari logo, we have done it in Sheikh Zayed. It's a logo of Ferrari horse. It's 3D printed and it's out there. In the challenging times of COVID pandemic, we were honored to be able to provide the local supplies to the medical industry. So one of the most iconic job that we did was for Dubai Police. And that was we did 6,000 face shields for Dubai Police. And then also we did ventilator splitters. So those were very well needed in these times. And we produced them from Prusa printers. And we used a material called filamentive. It's from the recycled plastics. So it helps us to also be as a responsible company in terms of environment. Another application that we do is for defense, for their prototyping needs. So as you know, in defense, they have their specific equipment for their strategic different missions. So for that, they need the different low volume, customized designs. So for that, they come up to us, they come up with their challenges and we convert their ideas, improve their existing models. As a company, I started completely alone from one printer in Business Bay, and there was Prusa, like I've shared. And then slowly and gradually we grew, and today we are more than 29 people. And we have more than 60 machines, among them 40 are 3D printers of Prusa. As a company, Proto21 as you know, is invested as a partner with Josu Group. So Josu Group supports us with a lot of different techniques and technological support. They help us to install them in different locations. They help us with the logistics. They help us with the import and export. And in my team, we have 10 people, more than 10 as a post-processing people who can paint, who can finish the models. As in countries, we have delivered more than 89 countries now. The shipments have been going to whole Africa. We have sent in whole Asia almost, in most of European countries. Now we are planning to have 20 more machines. We are going to have another factory and we're planning to have more facility, increasing our capacity. So one thing I need from Prusa is like I always look forward to is increasing the bed size. Not a big size, like 30 centimeters to 35 centimeters in the bed only, not the height, would be very useful.